Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful day. Hello, people of the world. Today, it is my routine to go out and have a big, nice walk for at least an hour to go and an hour to go back here in our home. Welcome to my channel, Ning Ning ni Neneng. Nagkita ka, we met in the street here. Well, actually, her boss, Mitch's boss, is just nearby
in front
our
of her
house. We're neighbors. But Mitch from Kildare.
It's 2 hours.
2 hours bus.
Yeah. Malayo.
So it's so very far. But accidentally, I met her this morning.
Oh.
I know her, but I met her this morning. So we have a chance to know each other better. So here, hope you enjoy our walking while chatting. You know, it's our first. If you saw a Filipino in other world, in other country, you're so very happy. It's look like you are. You see a very beautiful family around you, and I feel so very happy every time I saw a Filipino friend. So we're walking just here in the street as you see it. So many buses and cars, and that's it. I'm so happy and glad. Thank you, Mitch.
Of course, if you want to ask anything,
Taga saan ka? Where you from?
Sa Mindanao.
Oh.
O Bisaya.
Oh, how long you've been here in Ireland, friend?
I've been here for 11 years now.
11 years?
I came here 2009. And I'm married to an Irish man.
Mm.
So, yun. And I'm a nanny for, I think I've been a nanny for 8 years already.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yun. Mabuti naman. May mga daming Pilipina dito, Tino.
Marami.
Madaming Filipino dito. Most of them are working in a nursing homes, a nanny, or housekeeper.
Saan ka pa ganun ka pa ganyan?
Kaganit dito.
O sige, sundan na lang muna kita.
Tapos, yun nga. Mabuti nakita tayo ito.
Saan naman, paano naman yung how you find Ireland?
Yeah, Ireland, they're just like Filipinos. They're very warm and friendly, and they say hi to everybody, like hi guys, or like they're very friendly. And as an employer as well, they're very fair and they're nice, and wala masyadong problema dito sa mga employers kasi parang sila, yung parang Filipino din, or mas maganda pa nga sila sa Filipino makitungo sa atin, di ba? Parang they ask you if you're happy with your job, kung ano yung gusto mo, tapos yun, hindi sila nagte-take advantage talaga. Yun yung pinaka magandang dito. Hindi katulad sa ibang bansa ba na hindi naman lahat, no? Pero yung mga amo nila, hindi masyadong maganda yung ugali, they look down to you. Pero dito parang equal lang kayo, parang we're friends. Hindi mo maiisip na, oh, amo ko to. So, you both have respect for each other. They respect you as well. So, yun yung maganda dito. You say hi, my love. And
How's
that's
your
it.
salary as being a money? Are you how
Yeah, I'm
they
paid 16 euro an hour.
oh
So, and they pay my tax as well. So, parang they take care of you. They won't take advantage of you as a Filipino, and hindi naman lahat na hindi racist, no, pero hindi sila yung racist talaga. They treat you as equal. They treat you if you do your job well. So parang ganun, if you do your job well, and lahat naman tayo Filipino, we're so committed with our job and very responsible, and we treat them as a family as well. So that's why parang pamilya din yung turing nila sa atin, di ba?
very good.
So yun, wala talaga masyadong problema dito when it comes to employment, when it comes to pakikisama sa kanila, kasi mabait talaga sila. Mga 90% mababait talaga yung mga Irish. Yun nga lang, yung weather, malamig, yung buti na lang may mga Filipino shops dito kasi hindi natin mamimiss masyado yung pagkain sa atin, kasi we can buy naman kung ano yung gusto natin kainin na mga namimiss natin sa atin. Yun lang, parang wala masyadong adjustment, yung weather lang, no? Tapos
Lamig.
yung mag-i-English tayo.
Oo.
Yun lang. Parang yun lang yung pinaka-adjustment, pero when it comes to yung ugali nila, parang Filipino din, di ba? They're very family orientated, parang mahal nila yung pamilya nila. So nare-relate nila tayo pag nagpapadala tayo ng pera, kaya hindi sila nagtitake advantage siguro, kasi parang they can relate to us na andito tayo, naghahanap buhay, nagpapadala sa atin, kasi parang ganun sila dati, a long time ago. Parang they migrate to America to send money home here, so they can relate to us. So parang we're lucky we're here in Ireland talaga. Di ba, Tino?
Tapos ang ganda pa ng aso. Meron tayong background. Look at here. You're so very, very cute. Oh, you're waggling the tail.